Do you ever have stage fear?
स्टेज फियर किसको होता है आप मुझे बताइए।
किसको होता है?
जो स्टेज पे खड़ा होता है उसको स्टेज और भीड़ दिख रही है। मुझे कैसे स्टेज फियर?
ये जो लड़का है ना, ये बहुत ज्यादा ही झंडे गाड़ रहा है एक छोटी सी उम्र में।
एक प्रथमेश करके बच्चा मुझे मिला,
सारे अवार्ड्स एक तरफ और नेशनल अवार्ड एक तरफ।
वो देख नहीं पाता है।
When I was 8 years old, his brain tumor reoccurred.
आयु बहुत छोटी है। मैंने उसको अपना परिचय पूछा, वो कहता है मैं तो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हूँ।
I'm brand ambassador of Tinkerbell Labs. I'm brand ambassador of Alimco.
इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से वो बात कर रहा था।
I also got the national award this year by the Honorable President of India.
You got a national award
Yes.
at the age of what?
I was then 13.
यानी ये सामर्थ्य जब देखते हैं तो विश्वास और मजबूत हो जाता है।
Do you think everything is possible in life?
जहाँ चाहे वहाँ रहा है। जो आप अचीव करना चाहें, आप उसके लिए पूरी मेहनत से कोशिश करिए। सक्सेस जमीन चीर के आसमान फाड़ के आपके पास आएगी।
You just got mentioned by PM Modi
Yes.
and you have also met him. How was that? Take us through that entire journey.
So जब कहते जब से होश संभाले, I have keep listening PM Modi and his speeches.
Has there been a phase where your mental health was affected and how did you overcome it? I've had a breakup. मेरा heartbreak हो गया and I'm sad. How to be comfortable with change?
Acceptance is the most important thing.
हेलो वेलकम बैक टू जस्ट किडिंग विद सिड। हम यहाँ बैठे हैं प्रथमेश के साथ एंड प्रथमेश a very significant child that I recently come across because ये जो लड़का है ना, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही झंडे गाड़ रहा है एक छोटी सी उम्र में। कहाँ गाड़ रहा है, कैसे गाड़ रहा है, क्यों गाड़ रहा है? To understand that we have him all the way from Pune sitting here with me in Mumbai. Hi Prathamesh.
Hello भैया, I'm doing fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm amazing. Like after meeting you, I'm already feeling very insecure about my existence.
Oh.
Because the kind of achievements you have is something which is like ballistic.
Actually भैया, मेरे पास अचीवमेंट्स होंगे या जो भी है, लेकिन नोबल कॉज एंड ह्यूमैनिटेरियन वर्क तो आप ही के पास है।
वो तो मैं बस ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, आपसे सीख रहा हूँ।
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा ट्राई कर रहे हो आप।
Can you tell us something about yourself? If you have to introduce yourself to someone who doesn't know you, how would you do it?
So my name is Prathamesh Sinha. I'm 14 years old and I'm brand ambassador of Tinkerbell Labs, smart braille learning device Annie, through which visually impaired children can learn braille very easily. I'm brand ambassador of Alimco. I also got the national award this year by the Honorable President of India.
You got a national award.
Yes.
At the age of what?
On 3rd of December I got, so I was then 13.
So we have someone who's sitting with me who has a national award at the age of 13 and I feel so, should I say worthless? No, but I feel proud about the fact that you are here. You got some time out of your busy schedule. Can you tell us about something your busy schedule? How does it look?
Usually I get up 7 o'clock and then my classes start from 10. Meanwhile I do my worship and everything. Then there are some more things I do. After that, after my classes, I'm engaged in some extracurricular activities. I'm learning Spanish. Along with that, I have a lot of podcasts, so I keep traveling. So these things are in my schedule.
Acha.
Yeah.
Do you think that at a very early age you're doing a lot? Is it a lot to take?
No, I need to do more. This is just the beginning and I need to progress more. Yeah.
And for what did you get the presidential award?
It's the highest award in disability sector and the category I got in, it's known as Shresth Divyang Bal Balika. Okay, in which one child, one boy and one girl is given the award and I got the award for motivating cancer patients, doing advocacy of bone marrow transplant patients, brain tumor survivors. I promote braille literacy. I work for specially able people. So for this reason I got the award. I got the presidential award.
Does it mentally somehow overwhelm you? Because can you brief me about your vision? Like what is the percentage of the reality that you can perceive? And is it something that you were born with or is it something that ever came in your way in terms of achieving your goals?
So when I was 14 months old, I had a brain tumor which affected my optic chiasma And optic chiasm is a place where both the nerves of the eyes join, and that was affected, so I lost my vision due to that. And everything was going on well, like I was studying in homeschooling and everything. But when I was 8 years old, this brain tumor reoccurred in 2019, and second operation was there. So this brain tumor has affected my vision and my pituitary gland, which has affected my growth, everything.
Growth as in?
Height growth.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And does it ever make you feel conscious in terms of your confidence now?
No way. No. Never.
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 Right?
It's not something which is in my hand. Why do I get unconfident or unconscious because of this my problem? It is not in my hand. I just depend on people what they are thinking and what's they're thinking. I don't think about it much, and I'm always confident.
So how can someone reach at a stage where you are right now? Someone who has vision or does not have a vision, that does not matter. I feel it's all about the mindset. Yeah?
Yes.
एक बच्चे को तुम्हारे सिचुएशन तक कैसे पहुंचना चाहिए?
Knowledge. Study, education, knowledge is the key. I'm working in the field of brain literacy, or I'm brand ambassador of hospital, or whatever I'm doing. That's because I'm giving speeches, I'm talking with you. Not because of I'm a visually impaired or anything. Because of the knowledge I gain and knowledge I have. Okay. And we need to always remember that we always need to do something for the society. Now, if we remember Louis Braille or Helen Keller, it's not because of their disability. It's because of their, ये समाज उनके समाज में दिए गए योगदान की वजह से. It's because of the things they have done for society for specially able people.
Beautiful. Can you brief me something about Helen Keller? Like one anecdote or one story, and why are they special, so that people also understand something about them?
So Helen Keller, she was hearing impaired, she was blind, but despite of that, she was a disability advocate. She was an author. Apart from that, she did many things for specially able people. And Helen Keller always said that the best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. I
Wow.
believe in that.
At the age of 14, what have you learned about life that is very hard to be understood?
Life is altogether is hard to understand. Okay, life is full of challenges. Life is full of opportunities. And जिनको लगता है कि लाइफ जो है हमारी बहुत आसानी से चल सकती है, उनको मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि लाइफ इज नॉट अ बेड ऑफ रोजेस. सो जिंदगी संघर्ष का नाम है, चुनौतियाँ देना इसका काम है. सो आई हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस, एंड द नेम ऑफ चैलेंजेस, लाइफ इज द नेम ऑफ fluctuation. That's what I have.
How to be comfortable with change?
What I think is, we should, whatever the change is, I'll tell you my example. I got the brain tumor, everything happened. Is it in our hand? What are the changes are we making, and how do we accept it? Acceptance is the most important thing.
Acceptance is everything?
Yes.
Is it beyond awareness?
Awareness is also important, and acceptance, both of them are equally important.
If you have to make your own syllabus for a school,
Yeah.
you run a school and someone has given you the responsibility of making that syllabus for students, how would that be?
So what I think is syllabus will be normal. Only two things I will include. One is, learning sign language, and other thing is learning Braille. So normal students learn Braille and sign language. So through that, what happens is they know how to deal with specially able people once they encounter them.
Has there been a phase where your mental health was affected, and how did you overcome it?
A phase where my mental health was affected. No, I've never been through that kind of phase.
Is
I
it?
cannot recall. Yeah.
But of course, when this happened to you, when tumor happened to you,
Yeah.
there might have been some, constrictions, and you felt like, why did this happen to me? Is life unfair? Or did you feel unfair? And then how did you overcome that very idea?
What I think is, I never thought about my brain tumor, or is it unfair or not fair. One thing I'll tell you, my parents were always thinking about it when my second operation happened, and around me was very worried about it. Not me, people around me. So what I used to tell them that first surgery was there to install the software and second is there for the upgradation. That's what I used to tell everyone.
Wow.
To change the environment, to change the to make it funny, to change the thinking of the people around me.
Is it something that you have read from which you garnered a lot of perspective of life from books or any particular book, any particular author?
Actually, I keep reading. I have read the Atomic Habits. I have read, many books, and my favorite book is Srimad Bhagavad Gita because it explains you the meaning of life. Whatever is there, Bhagavad Gita is the base of every book, and I think that I have read Bhagavad Gita. I believe in spirituality. These things I keep reading to sometimes understand the perspective of the life. Also, I keep listening to different people. What do they say?
What are the top 3 learnings from Bhagavad Gita?
Top 3 learnings. First is we should always be process oriented instead of being goal oriented. We should always be process oriented. Second is we should always work in with dedication. Third is the learning that discrimination is we shouldn't do discrimination because every spirit, every soul as a part of the supreme. These are my top 3 learnings.
Do you believe God is real?
Yes, God is real. Because many things people share incidents, many things I have experienced in my life. If you don't think that God is real, but somewhere, something, any power is there, protects us, which helps us, which is always around us, helping us.
Do you feel not having vision is a superpower?
I can see in dark. Yes, I'll tell you one thing. Like this was
Some spooky stuff coming up now.
Yeah.
Okay.
This was taken as a joke. I'll tell you.
Uh-huh.
So what happened is everyone was playing and suddenly light went. So everyone हिलना मत light चली गई है. मैंने कहा मुझे जाने दो मैं वैसे भी अंधेरे में देख सकता हूँ मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. So this is a thing.
But how? Like you can sense.
Yeah, I can sense.
So that was a joke.
Yeah, that was a joke that I can see in the dark. It doesn't make any difference for me. Now you understood it.
Do you miss perceiving the colors of skies and trees?
No. जो कहते हैं ना like बाहर की आंखों से ना सी अंदर की आंखों से मैं सब देख सकता हूँ. I always believe that I know them directly or indirectly. Yeah.
Your intuition is pretty strong.
Yes.
Let's test your intuition.
Yeah.
What
You ask my mother. I do cycling alone without any help. I do cycling.
have you done some intuition program or what? No, right? Okay.
No, nothing.
What is the greatest blessing and the curse of life?
Greatest blessing. It's the nature itself. The nature, the spirituality. All of them are the greatest blessings for humanity.
What are the curses?
Cause I think selfishness.
You just got mentioned by PM Modi.
Yes.
And you have also met him. How was that? Take us through that entire journey, that experience.
It was very nice experience. I'll tell you one thing. PM Modi became the Prime Minister from 2014.
Uh-huh.
I was born in 2011. Okay.
Okay.
And usually, kids start understanding things at the age of 3 or 4. Okay. So, जब से होश संभाला है, I have keep listening PM Modi and his speeches, and what I think is, I was a great fan of him. Once he came to Pune and he went, and I thought why I was not able to go there because I saw some of my friends meeting him. So I was very sad at that moment. But then I got the opportunity to meet the PM. He's a great personality. He asked me that, जैसे I was sitting there, he came और क्या कर रहे हो भाई? He was like that. So I was suddenly okay, ये आ गए, okay. Then what happened is, I explained him the entire device, that what vision we have, whatever we want to do, okay. And I explained him everything, and then he gave me blessing, and he just went. And after 2 seconds, when he was gone, I thought that अभी क्या हुआ था? It was like that.
When it comes to like having won a national award at the age of 14, how was that brief moment?
So, I'll tell you the inside thing. When the declaration was there, my mother was crying, and, we were outside at our family friend's house. There, they also got to know we were crying, everything was there, and they ordered a cake. Many things happened, and when I went to take the award, सारे awards एक तरफ और ये national award एक तरफ.
क्यों ऐसा?
National award is a prestige for me. Like you know, it's the fruit. ये जो कहते हैं ना, ये वो फल है जो मेरी मेहनत पे या स्पेशली एबल लोगों के लिए काम करने से मिला है मुझे. Being recognized by the honorable president of India, it's a big thing for me. So
मैं बहुत क्यूरियस हूँ, मतलब क्या किया है तुमने ऐसा?
as I told you, I'm a motivational speaker. So
You are a motivational speaker.
yes, I'm a TEDx speaker also. So everywhere I go, I promote cancer patients and brain tumor survivors. I work for the disabled community. I tell everyone that we are disabled because society is not accessible. How society needs to be accessible. What are the changes policymakers should bring in the curriculum and everything.
Wow.
Yes.
You have been on Shark Tank. Tell us about you being on Shark Tank at the age of 13.
No, that time I was 11.
Sorry?
Sorry, 10.
10, at the age of 10,
Yeah.
Prathamesh has been on Shark Tank. How was that
Season
experience?
1, yeah. So, experience was very nice. The sharks, what happened is, at the rehearsal, people were very strict कि आपको ये mention नहीं करना, आपको वो mention नहीं करना, आपको क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. I thought कि sharks कैसे होंगे? People with me, they also thought कि आखिर होने क्या वाला है वहाँ. Then, I got to know that the CEO of Boat is coming, and from the beginning I was fan of Boat's product, so I was very excited then. And, the sharks were very nice. I demonstrated the device and everything happened. It was very nice.
Tell us one
was
secret, na? Tell us one secret of Shark Tank.
One secret, okay, I'll tell you. What happened is you saw that when the actual shoot was going on, there Annie was declaring wrong only. There
Okay.
It had a big software glitch. Okay. I just demonstrated anyways and went, and then I was called back again, told me to do it again, and I did it again, and then everything was very well. So I thought that okay, so this was a secret that on first attempt everything got wrong,
And that is what life is about.
Yeah.
And they gave you a second chance because they
Yeah.
thought you're worthy enough to be discounted for that
Yeah.
technical glitch,
Yeah.
which can happen with any product.
Yes, and what happened is after everything was done, I was not with my mama. I went and I directly sat with the cinematographer that I want to see what is happening over there. So until the check was given, I was there. सारे startups जो वहाँ पे आए हुए थे, सबसे काफी दोस्ती हो गई थी. काफी मजा आया था. Behind the camera scenes अगर आप देखने जाओगे ना, overall on camera, behind camera, everything was fabulous, very nice.
Fabulous. And it's not scripted, right?
No.
Would you like to grow up to become one of the sharks?
Not like till now I haven't thought about it, but I want to be an IAS officer so that I can make the area, the country more inclusive and more prominent for the businesses, and I want to develop the startup ecosystem more, being in the administration.
Do you ever feel you're dependent on your family, people around you?
What I will tell you is, like, I don't feel that I'm dependent on people around me, but family's dependency is always there, okay? My family is everything.
How do you envision your life? Like next 10 years of your life?
First, yeah, obviously, I'll, focus on my career. I'll be an IAS officer. Second thing will be working for specially able people and उनकी आवाज़ को और बुलंद करना. So यही दो मेरे perspectives रहेंगे, यही दो मेरे focuses रहेंगे अगले 10 साल के लिए.
Beautiful. समझो like I've had a breakup. मेरा heartbreak हो गया है. The person I love the most has left me. I don't know, but they have left me.
Yeah.
And I'm sad. How would you motivate me to become a better person and to heal faster? And you have only 1 minute.
See, I'll say only one thing. The person has left you, or the God has made exit him from your life because maybe he or she doesn't deserve your company. That's what I think. It's their loss that they are not with you, and I think they deserve that not to be in your company.
हो गया मैं motivate. हो गया मैं heal.
They have left you. That means a better person, a better life is waiting for you ahead. You have to proceed.
Do you know this kid who comes on the screens, the South Indian kid? सपने देखना, सही बात है. You know that kid?
No.
He's also a motivational speaker.
Okay.
He's a motivational speaker from the South. He said, सपने देखना, अच्छी बात है. And do you ever have stage fear?
No, not from the... Actually, stage fear किसको होता है, आप मुझे बताइए.
किसको होता है?
जो स्टेज पे खड़ा होता है, उसको स्टेज और भीड़ दिख रही है. मुझे कैसे स्टेज फियर? मुझे तो तब समझ आता है जब आप लोग तालियां बजाते हो और तब पता चलता अच्छा मैं इतने लोगों के बीच बोल रहा था, तब मुझे पता चलता है स्टेज का मुझे कैसा फियर।
What kind of content do you consume on the internet?
Basically, I listen UPSC, IAS interviews or other thing, whatever I'm curious about. I want to do research about these things only. Nothing much.
बढ़िया यार। गवर्नमेंट ने कौन सी ऐसी एक पॉलिसी इंट्रोड्यूस करानी चाहिए जिससे ये कंट्री बहुत हद तक चेंज हो सकती है?
जिससे ये कंट्री बहुत हद तक चेंज हो सकती है। सो गवर्नमेंट ऐसी कौन सी पॉलिसी इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकती है? लेट मी थिंक, क्योंकि मैंने भी सोचा नहीं है कभी। हमारे पीएम उनके सेक्रेटरी बहुत समझदार हैं, सो इस पर मैं ज़्यादा टिप्पणी नहीं करूँगा सर।
तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है जीएसटी हटाना चाहिए?
जीएसटी हटाना कम कर देना चाहिए, पर हटाना नहीं चाहिए। और अगर हटाएंगे तो उसके बजाय कोई दूसरा ऐसे लाना चाहिए। जैसे अगर जीएसटी ही हटाना है तो सारे टैक्सेस हटा दो, और फिर एक काम करो कि आप जो पेमेंट कर रहे हो ना, ऐसा टैक्स लागू कर दो कि आप जो पेमेंट कर रहे हो ना, जो पर्सन से रिसीव कर रहा है, रिसीविंग एंड से उसके पास से 2% टैक्स कटे, कुछ ऐसा कर दो आप, अगर जीएसटी या सारे टैक्सेस हटाने ही हैं।
तो ये सेइंग इंस्टेंट टैक्सेशन होना चाहिए?
या रिसीविंग एंड लाइक बीटीटी, बैंक ट्रांजैक्शन टैक्स टाइप का कुछ होना चाहिए।
अच्छा।
या
Would you ever take home loan to buy a house?
So it depends on needs. It depends. अगर मेरे पास sufficient money है, then I wouldn't go for it, because फिर मेरे पास assets और काफ़ी चीज़ों की चीज़ें हो जाएंगी। And if I don't have that sufficient money, थोड़ी बहुत की ज़रूरत है मुझे, then I'll go for home loan.
Do you know the difference between assets and liabilities?
Assets are which can, आपके पास गोल्ड है या ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें हैं तो वो आपकी एसेट्स हो जाती हैं, लेकिन कार जैसे कुछ भी चीज़ हो जाती है वो या दूसरी चीज़ें अगर हम ले लें, लाइबिलिटी इज समथिंग लाइक उसको आपको मेंटेन करना पड़ रहा है, उसका बोझ आप उठा रहे हो, लाइबिलिटी।
Would you rather have 1 crore cash prize or a car worth 5 crore? UPSC प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है।
हाँ, so 1 crore टैक्स कैश प्राइस।
You'll take that?
या
Not the 5 crore car?
सर 5 करोड़ कार से सिर्फ मेरा ही फायदा होगा। 1 करोड़ से मैं डोनेशन और कुछ कुछ कर सकता हूँ जिससे दूसरों का फायदा होगा।
So that is your asset?
Yes.
To be kind? Do you think kindness is the biggest?
Yes. Honesty, kindness, these are the biggest assets of a human, of humanity. These are the biggest assets.
But okay, when you have your own and your own children, what are the qualities and truths of life that you will make your children understand?
सर पहले उतना बड़ा तो होने दीजिए, अभी खुद ही मैं चाइल्ड हूँ। Obviously, I'll teach them kindness, I'll teach them honesty, I'll teach all the assets of humanity, whatever I said, and I'll try to teach them all the values which in future, as well as in their present, in their, it will be helpful for them anywhere in this world.
Have you watched or felt 12th Fail, the movie?
Yes.
What have you learned from it?
एक जो लाइन थी उनकी कि if I cannot be the sun who brightens the world, I'll be the street lamp, किसी दूसरे की ज़िंदगी में रोशनी ला सके। So this was my learning from it. Achievements के पीछे हमेशा नहीं भागना चाहिए और अपने वजह से दूसरों की भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं। यही सभी चीज़ें सीखने मिली थी मुझे वहाँ 12th फेल में।
Do you have a favorite god?
सारे ही ज़रूरी हैं, ऐसा नहीं है फेवरेट। सबकी मैं पूजा करता हूँ, सबके मंत्र आते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है मेरा कोई एक फेवरेट गॉड है। श्री राम हो गए, वो मेरे फेवरेट हैं। महादेव उनके बहुत सारी चीज़ों की वजह से, श्री राम उनके वैल्यूज़ की वजह से हैं। सो यही दोनों गॉड्स मेरे सबसे फेवरेट।
कौन सा मंत्र तुम्हारा फेवरेट है?
मेरा मंत्र सबसे फेवरेट शिव तांडव स्तोत्र।
Can we sing some of it?
या
Let's do it. Let me also feel that energy inside of me.
जटाटवी गलच्चल प्रवाह पाविदस्थले गलेवलम्ब लम्बितं भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां टमड्डमड्डमड्डमन् निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चन्द्रताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवः शिवम्।
Wow.
Actually, the whole stotra, it's very long, like 15-16 श्लोक्स तक जाता है ये। So मैंने आपको बस 2-4 लाइनें ही सुनी।
बहुत बढ़िया। What is the learning of this श्लोक?
लर्निंग ऑफ द श्लोक, मैं आपको इसकी पहले बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी बताता हूँ।
बताओ।
रावण जब श्री राम से युद्ध करने जा रहा था तब उससे पहले उसने श्लोक पढ़ा था, लेकिन उसने लिखा ही काफी पहले था और महादेव ना उनको ऐसे बांध दिया था उन्होंने ताकि वो कहीं जाए ना और उनका श्लोक सुन सके। ये इतने बड़े भक्त थे। सो ये शिव तांडव स्तोत्र जो है उनकी भक्ति, रावण की भक्ति दर्शाता है शिव महादेव के प्रति, और शिव कितने महान है वही दर्शाता है।
What is your 2 cents for a child who's watching you right now?
Education is the most important. First of all, I will tell everyone कि education we should focus on। अभी जैसे सिद्धेश भैया हैं, वो सारे बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, सबके एजुकेशन पे फोकस हो जाए। एक दूसरी चीज़ है, आज के वक्त में हम इतने फ़ोन वगैरह देख रहे हैं, सो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस को ओवरकम करना इम्पोर्टेंट है, और मेंटल हेल्थ पे आजकल हमारे काफ़ी असर पड़ रहा है। आज के वक्त में हम जो चाहते हैं वो हमारे पेरेंट्स से हमें मिल तो जाता है, लेकिन इन दी एंड जब हमें फिर चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़ते हैं तब काफ़ी कुछ हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ पे इशू हो जाता है। सो हमारे लिए यही ज़रूरी है कि हम अपने मेंटल हेल्थ को सही रखें, कम डिमांडिंग रहें, और एंड ऑब्वियसली कि हम हर चैलेंज फेस करने के लिए रेडी रहें, डिस्ट्रैक्शन से दूर रहें। समय की रिस्पेक्ट करिए, क्योंकि समय को जो बर्बाद करता है, समय भी एक न एक दिन उसे बर्बाद कर देता है। समय की रिस्पेक्ट करिए, टाइम की रिस्पेक्ट करिए।
What do you think is more important, समय या फिर पैसा?
टाइम इज मनी। पैसा कभी भी कैसे भी कहीं भी आ सकता है। आज के वक्त में पैसा मतलब थोड़ा बहुत भी मिल जाए सफिशिएंट इनफ कि हम काम चला सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर हमारा टाइम बीत गया सब कुछ जाता है। एवरीथिंग इज गॉन।
Do you think everything is possible in life?
जहाँ चाहे वहाँ रहा है। जो आप अचीव करना चाहें, आप उसके लिए पूरी मेहनत से कोशिश करिए। सक्सेस जमीन चीर के आसमान फाड़ के आपके पास आएगी।
You're so adorable, man. I mean, there's so much, like, I'm not even kidding. I would love to have a child like you, and I've not said this to anyone ever, because I've talked with thousands of kids, but this comes internally, and I hope that one day I have the wisdom and the blessing for the divine power to have a child like you. So thank you so much for being that example and setting an example for all of us.
एक्चुअली मैं तो हमेशा यही कहता हूँ कि मुझे एज एग्जाम्पल लोग लेते हैं ना, सो आई कैन बी एग्जाम्पल ओके, बट आप मुझसे बेटर भी बन सकते हैं। आप अपने आप को खुद एक एग्जाम्पल खड़ा कर सकते हैं। सो यू कैन हैव अ चाइल्ड बेटर देन मी ऑल्सो, ऐसा नहीं है।
I'll try my best. How do you think we can become better parents?
प्यार और स्ट्रिक्टनेस, या प्यार और नेसेसिटी को हमेशा बैलेंस करके रहिए आप। आज के वक्त में हम बच्चों की सारी डिमांड्स पूरी कर दे रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन वैल्यू सिखाना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इन दोनों को हमेशा बैलेंस करके चलना सबसे ज़रूरी है, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू कैन बिकम बेटर पेरेंट्स। लाइक जैसे मैं पेरेंटिंग पे ज्ञान क्यों दे रहा हूँ मुझे नहीं पता, मैं खुद एक बच्चा हूँ, लेकिन मम्मा से आप पूछ सकते हो, पापा से आप पूछ सकते हो। बच्चों के बारे में जो पूछना मुझसे पूछिए।
रोडी सल्यूट तुम्हारे लिए। हाँ, it was a pleasure talking to you.
Same here.
1 hour has passed. We were talking for an hour. It did not feel like an hour. I'm so happy to have this privilege to be hosting you.
Same here, भैया।
I wouldn't have thought that I will be just kidding with Prathamesh. Any last word to leave this interview?
सिद्धेश भैया जो है, लाइक ही इज डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ नोबल कॉजेज। आप लोग एज अ व्यूअर सिद्धेश भैया को सपोर्ट करते रहिए, उनको सब्सक्राइब करिए, सब करिए, और मैं एज अ चाइल्ड जितना हो सके मैं उनको सपोर्ट करूंगा, लेकिन उसके लिए आप सभी व्यूअर्स का हमारे लिए सब। और हाँ, ये कुछ स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है जो सिद्धेश भैया ने बोला है मुझे, ये मैं अपने मन से बोल रहा हूँ। आई एम टेलिंग एवरीवन।
कागज में दिख रहा है ना? हाँ. Thank you, and thank you for being Prathamesh Sinha, and also being the brand ambassador of some amazing causes and initiatives like Annie, and so many things that you're doing.
थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी भैया।
Thank you so much. Bye bye कर दो.
बाय।
See you. Thank you so much.